Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be making the spicy Sri Lankan fish curry, also called Malu Mirisata in Sinhalese. What is unique about this spicy fish curry is that we don't use any coconut milk. Here are the ingredients you will need to cook the fish curry. 4 pieces of goraka. If you are unable to find goraka, you can substitute this ingredient with a tablespoon of tamarind paste. Soak the goraka in 1/4 cup of water until you need to use it. 500 grams of thalapath or sailfish. You can use any firm fish. Wash the fish chunks with half a teaspoon of salt and set aside to drain. 4 cloves of garlic sliced fine, 5 shallots or a large onion sliced fine, 2-inch ginger peas sliced, a handful of curry leaves, 2 medium-sized green chilies, 2 to 3-inch piece of pandan leaf, 1-inch cinnamon peas, 4 to 6 peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 cup of water, and salt to season. Now let's make the spice paste for the fish curry. Squeeze the excess water from the goraka and set aside the water to be used later in the fish curry. Place the goraka in the spice blender with the garlic, ginger, curry leaves, onions, cinnamon, chili powder, turmeric and the peppercorns with the salt. Grind it to a coarse or fine paste and set aside. Now that you have the spice paste, let's marinate the fish. You can marinate the fish straight in the cooking pan. I'm doing the marination in a bowl. Place the fish chunks in a bowl and then add the spice paste and combine well. I would recommend wearing a disposable glove to combine the fish with the spice paste. Add a few tablespoons of water into the blender, collect the spices and pour this as well onto the fish. Once you've combined the fish well, set aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you've done this, you can move on to cooking the spicy fish curry. Here I'm using a flat frying pan to show you the cooking process, but you can use a deep cooking pan or a clay pot over medium heat. Add the marinated fish, followed by pandan leaf, curry leaves and green chilies. Add the water in which the goraka was soaking, mix and cook for a few minutes. Then add more water, mix well, cover with a lid and let the curry simmer over low-medium heat. Cook until you have a thick gravy. Taste and season with salt as needed. Serve warm. And this is your Sri Lankan spicy fish curry, also known as Malu Mirisata. Thank you for watching and I'll see you with another recipe you can enjoy next time.